Hey guys, here's a quick video of my Hoover Model 115. Haven't run it in a while. This does run a little rough because it's sat for a while, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick run. See if we can get this to power up right away, because this switch is kind of a pain in the ass to get to work. There we go, first try, eh? That's pretty good. A lot of these need to be taken, serviced a little bit, cleaned up and oiled. I'm pretty sure this is a replacement bag, but it still looks pretty nice. Go ahead and flip the machine over. As you can see, model 115. It's got basically a small convertible style brush roll. Definitely needs a little work. You can see, from Youngstown, Ohio. This is where the repair facility was. I love that old little Hoover sticker. Anyways guys, that was just a quick run video of my Hoover Model 115.